So firstly, in a vessel on medium flame, I'm adding in water, sugar, crushed cardamom, some lemon juice, and I'm going to let the sugar melt by stirring it continuously. So here you can see that the sugar has completely dissolved, but the liquid is still flowy. So we will further boil this for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes or so, once you see that the liquid has become a bit sticky, that is when you place a drop of it between your fingers, it has a tight hold like this. Okay, this is when you switch off the flame and keep this aside. Now in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add in maida, milk powder, hot ghee, milk enough to form a dough, some baking powder, and a pinch of baking soda. Now we're going to combine this well and again knead it well with your hands and form a soft smooth dough like this. Keep this aside for 5 minutes. Now in a kadai on low flame, I'm adding in oil and allowing this to get hot on low flame itself. Now from the dough I'm picking up small lemon sized amount of the dough in my fingers and I'm going to roll it between my palms to form a ball. Okay, see that there are no cracks. So this is how it will look. Okay, do the same for the rest of the dough and keep this aside. Now once the oil is hot, okay, I'm going to first stir the oil with a ladle like this so that when I drop in the balls into the oil, they don't stick to the bottom. So this sometimes works, it doesn't work, but make sure that they don't get burnt at the base. Okay, so I'm going to drop in a few of them initially and again unstick them from the base like this and stir the oil, and this is how you cook the jamuns. Okay, you need to continuously stir them in the oil so that they don't stick to the base, otherwise they'll get burnt. Okay, now I'm going to add in the first batch completely and I'm going to rotate the oil like this, completely continuously rotating like this. Okay, so do this once this color is achieved, which is brown. Now I'm going to remove them from the oil, drain out the excess oil and place them directly into the sugar syrup that I have prepared. The sugar syrup need not be cold, it can be hot itself. Now drop in them into the sugar syrup and repeat the same with the rest of the dough. Now once you have added all of them into the sugar syrup, give them a slight mix and then cover and let them rest in the syrup overnight. Okay, and serve it cold. So your jamun is ready and they are very soft and few of them had cracks, but that's okay, that happens, it's not a big issue. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.